As you can see, my viewers, it's all about putting up a new shed. So right now I'm gonna get these lot off. These guys would fat you up here, boy. Yeah, I tell you, boy, they fat you up. So that's the reason why my name is Everton.
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back to another video, my viewers and my subscribers, Jamaican Farmers Hut. At this time, it's all about pulling down a old nursery and putting up back a new one. It's all about the old one pull away, you know what I mean? Yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. And once you say farming, you need a nursery, all right? For all your seedlings, all right? Stick around, Jamaican Farmers Hut. There's a lot more to come. Don't watch my ladder, First day on the job, so we have to have a ladder to climb. So I'll put a ladder together, you know what I mean? Yeah. So when the time comes for the saw to use, I'm going to use the saw, cut all those cross piece even, so I can have a nice ladder to use. I'm going to fix up the hedges, cut off the hedges because it's going to mesh. No more zinc, alright? So yes, my viewers, stick around. Show you what's going on. Watch those guys up there. Yeah, I'm afraid of them, you know what I mean? I was working on a whole building here. This building is a very old building. About 30 to 35 years this building was up. Look on the pine board. Green like grass. Green like grass. Green like grass. Yeah, that is the pine board. Alright, that is the pine board. I'm going to show you a piece of 2x4 here. Look at this piece of 2x4 here. Like it is rotten. See, look rotten. Hear the sound. You know what is that? That is hardwood. Yeah. Them pine board from back in the day is very strong. But them pine board here now we use, I have no use. This is where the magic started to work. Alright. As you can see, I'm on the top of the nursery here. As you can see the rafters. There is 4 rafters over there, one behind me here. On the end of each rafters, I need a piece of lat run right across, right down, right across, because the top is not going to zinc, it's going to mesh. You know what I mean? So I need a piece of lat right face on the wall here. That means the mesh is going to come right on the wall here. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is where the magic work. Watch and you will see what's going on. Here, my viewers. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, piece of lat run right across the top here so that the mesh come and buck right up here. Alright, stick around. As you can see, yeah, there is a lot of wood here. You know what I mean? Yeah, as you can see, yeah, lot of wood here. It's time to burn fire coal, alright? Yeah, man. For real. It's all about a farm in here, yeah. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. Once you hear the name Jamaican Farmers Hut, you're gonna get all these videos, alright? Stick around. Yes, I. Out of the wilderness, my people. I don't know. It's all about inside the wilderness. You know what I mean? As you can see around me here. Yeah. It's all about farming. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I have to prepare the place. Get it ready for farming, alright? So viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? Yeah, my viewers, you don't know. This is all about a non-electricity zone. So you don't know. This is where the handsaw come in play, alright? I need a piece of lot from here, from this post to that metal post over there. Right across the ground. You know? Right across the ground like that. Alright? So, stick around. I'm gonna drop it in very quick and fast. Yeah, my viewers. Ready? Yeah, man. Walk on it, you know? Yeah. See, you don't know. That is for the floor in the sill. For the door jamb in the front here. Alright? This is the doorway. This is the doorway. As you can see, a line is there. Line is there. Yeah. 32-inch. Alright, so I need a door jamb here, upright, and I need one here. So just hang on, show you what I want. See if we can vanish it on screen. Yeah, my viewers, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so that is one up. Need the next one up. Stick around. Yes, my viewers, do you ever hear the name Slick? Yeah, my name is Ever Slick. I don't get the name because I'm slick. You know what I mean? Get the name because I always neat and everything I do. You know what I mean? I always get it perfect. Right? So yeah. So that's the reason why my name is Ever Slick. Ever Slick. So when I go up on a job site for the first time, yeah, make sure so you make one of this. Yeah? Make sure so you make a leather here. Yeah, because you're gonna need it. For real. No matter where you go find, what you have to find to make it, you have to make a ladder. Seeing? Seeing, I write this right there. Secondly, look around see if you see any energy, any electricity. Yeah? If it is a year away, no current, you know, you can't use no electric tool. So you have to have the hand tool them ready to work with. You know what I mean? It's all about Jamaican farmers up, my viewers. Yeah, man. Me go on one little joke. You know, say one time I work up on a building, 3-story, you know. The last story left, me's a man afraid of height. So I say, last story left. I do the ceiling. Yeah, you know, put in a little thin ply there in the ceiling. Yeah. You know, say, me have me jigsaw type on your side, me have me electric saw type on your side, me chisel tie around there so, and me hatchet tie around there so. Yeah. You know, so me hammer in my waist bag. Way up there in a ear, you know. And I tell you, say, me hammer drop. Can't come down, brother. When you're there, see, you use what you have. Yeah, me have material up there, me have two before. So me just drop the two before, take off my jigsaw from my side, cut out a hammer. Me start work, brother. A 1 inch nail, me a nail. So you don't know. Me make a hammer out of the two before, and me start nail. So you see when you're there, see the work, pool drop in the water, where you go to go swim, go look feet. How you crazy? How you mad? Stick around with viewers, you will learn a lot. Jamaican farmers out. Ever slick. Side, side. This building is not going to take any ply on the side or any zinc on the top. So there is no lot on the top. Alright, my viewers. This is a nursery. So it's all about mesh. Alright. As you can see, the doorway is ready. Yeah? Yeah man, the doorway is in. Alright, so need to put in a piece of post. I need to put a post right in the middle here. Yeah, but I have to put in a cross piece on the ground. Alright, my viewers, stick around. As a workman, you have your ladder. Make sure you have some nail up here on your ladder. You might wondering what are these nails are for. Yeah, you don't have time to smuggle around, you know. Worse when you alone work. Yeah, see that? So once we up on the ladder, all my tool is there. Yeah, my hammer and my tape is on my side. Seeing my waste bag is out, full of nail. On this platform, Jamaican farmers out. So this is a nursery. So you don't know, from you start the farm, the nursery come first. All those seedling, yeah, it's from the nursery. So if there is no nursery, how are you gonna get all those sucker? You're gonna buy all those sucker? It's very easy. Know what I mean? My viewers, it's all about Jamaican farmers out. When we say Jamaican farmers out, it's all about everything that you can think of. So stick around, because you're going to see some video that's sponsored by Jamaican farmers out, alright? So it's just for the viewers. Seeing? Stick around. I'm working with some guys here, my viewers. Trust me, you don't want to work with these guys. Because these guys, them don't laugh. They are very serious guys. Yeah? Try to smile with them, but boy, if me ever go try smile with them, you would have seen who name is a Smiley. Alright, when them swell me up. You have to start, you have to talk like you come from Trinidad. These guys will fat you up, hey boy. Yeah? Yeah, man, them enough. Make sure you don't make the mistake, you know, boy. And come inside here. Them boy here will fat you up. I tell you, you know, boy, they fat you up. They will fat you up until your balls burst. Me viewers, let me give you a next story. Going to Trinidad for the first time, went into a shop and I said, sell me a bulla. The guy said, we don't sell bulla here, you know, boy. You have to go to the bulla store. I said, bulla store? I never know that in Trinidad when you say the word bulla, it means you're on the other side of the bridge. If you understand what I mean, on the other side of the bridge, he said you have to go to the bulla shop. Right around the building, need the lot as the seal right round for the mesh to nail on. Over here, need piece for over here. But listen, viewers, it's when you're doing our work, you have to do it professionally. All right. This is the cut and the fit. See that? It is the exact cut. Yeah, that you call that professional work. All right. Yeah, my viewers, 2 concrete nail in it, and it's good. One more for here now. Stick around. Yeah, I'm out for now. Only thing I have left to do before doing some paint on these board to get the water off is to put a piece of lath here and the side go up and over that side. Then I'm good to go with the mesh. You know what I mean? But as you can see, I'm going to give you a view right around. As you can see, what? As you can see, my viewers, I'm gonna give you the view right around. Show you what's going on. Yeah, almost there. Almost time for mesh. You know what I mean? Yeah, my viewers. Alright. That is the nursery. Okay, my viewers. So yeah, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright, the part 2 of this video. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, I'm thanking you for watching. Alright.